Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Xero email templates. Editing your email templates in Xero helps you control the subject lines and messages your customers see when you send invoices and other sales documents. This is great for keeping your tone consistent, adding key details automatically, and reducing the time you spend typing the same messages over and over. Let's walk through it clearly from inside your Xero account. Start on your Xero homepage. From the main navigation at the top, click Sales. This takes you to the sales area where you manage invoices, quotes, and related settings. From here, look for Sales Settings. It's the place where Xero groups options that affect how your documents look and how they're sent. Inside Sales Settings, scroll until you find Invoice Settings. Even though we're working on email templates, Xero nests the relevant email messages for invoices and other sales documents under Invoice Settings. Click Invoice Settings to open the page where your document layouts and their associated email messages live. On the Invoice Settings page, locate the template you want to change. Next to it, click Options, then choose Edit. This opens the editor where you can customize the email that goes out with that document type. Focus on two key areas, the subject line and the message body. Keep the subject clear and informative so customers recognize what the email is about at a glance. In the message body, write a friendly, concise note that explains what you're sending and what you need the recipient to do. Make good use of Xero's placeholders so details fill in automatically. Common ones include the contact's name, the invoice number, the amount due, and the due date. Using placeholders keeps messages accurate without manual edits each time. If you accept online payments, mention that customers can pay directly from the invoice to speed things up. Keep the tone on brand. Avoid overly long paragraphs and make sure any reply to address is monitored so you don't miss responses. Once you've finished editing, review your wording for clarity and typos, then click Save. That's it. Your changes apply the next time you send an email using that template. If you manage multiple templates, repeat the same process for each one to keep everything consistent. A quick recap. From the homepage, go to Sales, open Sales Settings, scroll to Invoice Settings, pick your template, go to Options, select Edit, tailor the subject and message using placeholders where helpful, and save. With this setup, your outbound emails will be clearer, faster to send, and more professional every time.